some Tim Holtz Crazy Birds. And they are crazy looking. I use my Copics and my Prismacolor pencils. You can't beat a Prismacolor pencil, y'all.
No,
It goes on like butter. Butter. Yes. If you do a comparison between a Prismacolor pencil and a Crayola or anything else, you will know what I'm talking about.
Yep.
So, anyway, I have done 3 for my Meet Me With Some Die Cuts partner and 3 for myself to build up my own stash.
There you go.
Yep. So that is what I've done for my 15 minutes today. So, all right.
I'm watching the babies out the window, and they are pulling icicles off of my truck and sword fighting with them. And it's so funny to watch kids, because it reminds you of how you played when you were a kid.
Yeah.
Like, the snow, had no tracks in it, so they're trying to, mess up every ounce of smooth snow that there was.
Right.
And then just a minute ago, Lily was on her feet and her hands, walking like some sort of animal around.
Oh, my.
And getting him a big old club of it.
Oh, they're having fun.
Yep.
Well, good.
It's good to see how you think in different places in the
Yeah.
yard.
Well, alrighty. That's all I've got. So we
All right,
toodaloo.